go, riders, please make sure for safety to keep your arms, feet, and legs inside the ride at all times. All right, here we go. Let's get ready to ride the Tidal. Get twisted.
Hi guys, Ken from Theme Park Access. We're on Tidal Twister at SeaWorld San Diego, and this is a skyline attraction, and it's a skyline attraction, a sky warp, horizontal, unlike the one at Six Flags, which is vertical. I'm stapled in, and here we go. We'll reach speeds of up to 30 miles an hour. We'll twist and turn, just like the tide. And after this one trip backwards, we're gonna start twisting. Here we go. That was great. It's a small footprint, but it does its job. It's a good ride. Come out to SeaWorld San Diego and give it a try yourself. I'm Ken from Theme Park Access. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe to all my social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. So we'll see you at the next park.
Welcome back, riders. Please unbuckle and lift up on your lap. Please watch your head and step as you exit towards the right platform. Thank you for riding Tidal Twister and enjoy the rest of your